I'm willing to die for this shit. I'm ready to flip and end up in prison the rest of my life for this shit. So my mama ain't want me, she got an abortion, I end up surviving this shit. And if I want a son, I ain't got the money, I'll probably be robbing this shit. Don't know how much I cry for this shit. Said I'm willing to ride for this shit. You know murder's my hobby, inside of my closet's a bunch of dead bodies and shit. Niggas said it them curves, cause I go to church and stare at the bottom of the shit.
Sì, cazzo! Sì, mamma mia! Col GS! Col GS! Chiudo tutto!
Mi raccomando ragazzi, in questo piccolo intermezzo iscrivetevi al canale.
Iscriviti. Se vuoi un taglio alla moda, iscriviti.
Since you're gone, life isn't the same. All the feelings are facing me, but I'm tired of running away, cause it won't stop chasing me. I've been daydreaming to escape from reality, lost in faded feelings, and now I'm free. Now I'm free.
So good and tasty.